So let me show you how to enable and use voice typing on your Galaxy Tab A11 so that you can actually use your voice to type. So first, go to the keyboard, just launch any app that will launch the keyboard, and then you want to tap on the settings icon, and that's going to take you to the Samsung keyboard settings. Now, in the Samsung keyboard settings page, just scroll and look for the option voice input, tap on that, and then you need to enable voice input by either selecting Samsung voice input or Google voice typing. Now, for me, I prefer Google voice typing. Now, if it's set to none, you won't have the option. So make sure it's one of these, but I recommend Google voice typing. So now you can go back, and whenever you want to type something on the keyboard, whichever app you're in, maybe you're typing a text message or something, here's what that's going to look like. Okay, so go to a message to that person. Let's type the message. So now you'll see a microphone icon in the bottom left corner, and all you have to do is tap on it, and then it's going to type everything you're saying. We are basically using voice typing to type on our Galaxy Tab A11. And then you can send a message. Simple as that. So that is basically how to use or how to enable and use voice typing on your Galaxy Tab A11. Thanks for watching and good luck.